Today is the final that we have long been anticipating. In the long history of this tournament, there have seldom been matches played with such passion and effort as we've seen this year. One player collapsed on the court at the end of a match and had to be carried off on a stretcher. At the end of another match, there was a player who couldn't even move and broke down and cried from sheer exhaustion. The spectators all know the hardship that these two fine players have endured to reach the final. And here's another round of applause to show it. The match will start in a few moments. Neither of them is showing the slightest indication of anxiety or tension. On this, the greatest of courts, the greatest player will show us the greatest of victory smiles. Who will he be? You have all been very patient. Now, at last, the cup final is starting.